You want to go tender riding with him now?
Not now, later. When Rishabh decides to give up his seat.
Give him followers, at least 100 followers.
Yeah.
At least. Not being ridiculous now. He told me which place.
ये बाद में. If anybody wants me to be on their bike, they need to sit pillion, bro. So after being at the track yesterday with the Ducati Monster, here I am today with the new RC200. By the way, fun fact, KTM hasn't really given the RC200 a makeover for the last 7 years. It has not, I mean that requirement hasn't arisen because we motorheads have loved that design so much, but it's finally here and it's standing right in front of me. There's like a ton of awesome accessories that are going to be part of this. Are they going to be available in India as well? Or is it just is it more like... No?
These are the culprits.
Why won't you? We were really like loving it, seeing it online.
Onus is on them to bring it.
He's like, it's not happening. Okay, so I'm now going to take this bike out on the racetrack. This track, by the way, is Bajaj's testing track right here in Pune, and it's one of my favorite tracks. I love this place because the last time I was here was for the 790 launch, and I had such a lovely time, and I got such great lines, and my corners were good, and everything went really well. So I'm going to take this thing out now for a little spin. Not a spin, I'm actually going to be out for a little like 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you all about it. Okay, bye. अरे गियर तो पहन लो यार, गियर तो पहन लो. अरे पहन रहे. Yes, doing, leaving a frame, and then I will wear gear. Okay, bye. Okay, that was an amazing sesh. Just by the way, I had such a blast. I raced with the boys and all. Today I was the only girl at the track. So it makes me feel very good when I can go out with the boys and actually like chase them. I chased them today on this track. I felt very good. Anyway, we're here with the bike. I know you want to know all about it, so I'm going to get straight to it. We're going to start with the engine. It is the same BS6 199.5cc liquid cooled, but apart from that, everything on this bike seems to have changed, man. It has gotten this huge visual makeover, and the folks at KTM are saying that bhai humne to aise MotoGP bike type bana di hai. Unfortunately, I am not a big fan of the front, which is the MotoGP aspect of this motorcycle, because it's not doing much for me. I preferred like the narrower face on the older RC. For starters, this chassis that you see, the frame, is now a brand new frame. Once upon a time, all the RCs and the Dukes had one single trellis frame piece which went through the whole bike, of course. And if you by chance had a fall, I've had friends who've had bad falls and crashes, then it gets a bit difficult because then you've got to replace the whole damn piece. So now with this, what you have is, you've got a different piece for the rear subframe and a different piece for the front. So if you have an accident, front से आपका कुछ हो गया, तो KTM can say, we will give you the front piece का replacement. पिछवाड़े को कुछ हो गया, तो पिछवाड़े का replacement. You don't have to have a whole piece coming through. And the best part is, it's a bolt-on. I hope I've explained that well because I tried very hard. Okay, as you see here, there's a whole new indicator strip that's going on here, which is really different and very unique for what KTM has always done with their bikes. This is the same thing, of course, at the rear. But the front is cool. And then there is the whole MotoGP inspired windscreen that's going on this, which I am not a big fan of, to be honest. Like I said, I preferred the earlier face of the RC200, so yeah. It's not so bad. It's a light bike, so it's easy to still move around. It's the parts in the parking that I struggle with. That's when I jump off and do the rest. Yeah, that's better. That's better. That's better. Yeah. Ranjan from KTM is here now, and because I've spoken about him on camera, he's walking away. But we will not let this man go because he has given us no time on the bike today. So Ranjan is now behaving like he's on the phone. Okay, what else is new with this bike? Well, let's start with the fairing. I love it, by the way. It's got all these lovely cuts and it looks very, very different from the earlier RC200. Then now the tank has a very different like shape and shit. Now the tank can accommodate 13.7 liters of fuel, whereas the earlier RC tank could only accommodate 9.5. Forgive me for this. Okay guys, also if you look at the wheels, they have changed entirely. There used to be multiple spokes on the last alloy wheel and now there are only 5. And also they look kind of smaller. I don't know why. Can you tell me why? If you know the answer, please tell me in comments. Okay, new seat. Looks much classier, by the way. Gives it a very classy, rich person motorcycle feeling, if I could say that. Then there's a new grab rail. The older 200 had nothing to call a grab rail. I would never for the life of me be a pillion on somebody who had the older one. But here I can still imagine myself sitting pillion. Though I never sit pillion with anybody. If anybody wants me to be on their bike, they need to sit pillion, bro. Ooh, LCD display. Okay, so the handlebar is now 15 millimeters higher than the older RC. But you know what? You actually have the option of taking it down by 10 mm so that you have more of a racing feel. Let me feel it. It's at 15 mm. I would have liked to try to go down at 10, but let's see. So, oh, okay, I'll try the hot version of that. So how is the new RC to ride? Well, I gotta say, I had a blast in the corners. I love how tucked in I felt sitting in the new 200 seat. I did keep banging on the limiter though, thanks to its super short gearing. Because at the end of the day, it's got a proper sporty riding position and I ended up with super painful wrists, by the way. That could also be because of my rubbish fitness levels though. About the tires, I didn't hate the MRFs, but I did not love them either. I'd definitely change those. Anyway, the bike stays at the older price of 2.09 lakh, which I think is a pretty fair ask. And yeah, that's about it from me today, man. So guys, as you have seen, I have had a wonderful day at this track. I am particularly okay-ish at some tracks like this one, and I'm no man, I actually did well, I think. Okay, I'm going to pat myself on the shoulder. Yeah, especially in the bowl, and then I raced with Rishad Modi of Autocar, so that's also like a great thing. But in any case, he's one of the best on the track, by the way. In any case, I'm gonna go now. I hope you enjoyed what we did with the RC200. I am dead tired. I'm also on my freaking period, day 2. But you know what the best part is? Whenever I come on track, all the pain goes away. I can't think of any of this stuff, any of the lady pain that we're supposed to have. All that freaking buzzes off and I just enjoy myself. So yeah, that's it from us today. Subscribe, like, share. I'm not gonna like tell you blah, but yeah, blah. See you, bye.